Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, it is Wednesday night. I'm getting things ready for tomorrow. And so I'm going to finish out, this is the Bega salad. Hey, look at me, I remembered to say the right word. I'm going to finish this off. Ooh, is it gonna fit? Hang on. Oh, it might. It just might fit. By the way, this did get a little watery. Not terrible, but a little watery as it sat for the past, gosh, when did I make that? Sunday? I made it Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I've been eating on this for 4 days. And so I'm going to take this tomorrow. And then I've got some jambalaya that I'll be eating tomorrow at lunch. And I got my breakfast casserole. I got my yogurt. And I'm also going to take the rest of these pickled veggies, I think. Let's see how, whoops, sorry puppy dog. Let's see how much we get out of it. Let me see. I mean, it might be too much to take. We'll see. We shall see. It's a good day. It was a good day. We did our movement. And, by the way, the dogs are fine. I know some of y'all said you think I was scaring the dogs. They're all right. They were just mad that I was walking inside the house and not out in the sun and the warm weather. But it ain't warm weather, and Mama was not. I was not going to get out there and freeze my katukas off. All right. So I'm going to take these. Like I say, I'm kind of finishing a few things up here. So I'm going to take this, and this, and my yogurt, and this. Tomorrow I'm back in my main building, so I will have a microwave at my place. So I'll be able to microwave this and not even worry about it. And in the morning, I will make up my coffee. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Haha, see, I laid a spoon out before I started, because I figured I'd forget, and I sure enough did. So now I'll put that down in there. And now, cha-chow. So I got a thing for my van, but the problem is my phone can only be this way instead of this way. So anytime I'm out driving around, y'all are going to have to be up and down this way instead of this way. But it will never be for like a long piece of the video. Well, unless I'm just jibber jabbering. But anyway, so that's pretty cool. It's working so far, so I'll have to keep trying it. And we're sitting still in my driveway, so all right, bye. I'm experimenting. I think I might have it, but I think I might need to go up just a little bit higher. I know y'all are looking over my thing. Let's see if you can see it if I turn around to face me. We're just on this little back road. I hope you see my steering wheel. But maybe if I could do that, that's not bad. All right. Okay, then. So we are on our way to work. I'm about almost at work. So I just wanted to try it. So, okay, bye. First day back in the office after a day out of the office is always hectic. So really quick, here's my breakfast casserole, and my yogurt. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. Bye. See you at lunch. I'm so sorry. I didn't finish all of it, but I did eat my Bega salad. Because I went down the hall and was letting some people taste it, and I got sidetracked. Sorry. So I ate the Rutabaga salad, but I still have my vinegar veggies and my jambalaya. So that's what I'm eating at lunch. I had to run home and let the dog out because he's on a steroid. And but I did it. I got there before he went. This morning he went before I woke up. I hit snooze and I should have woke up earlier, but I was sleeping so hard. But anyway, so, but I have some hospital bed chucks on the floor and he went right where he should have, so no complaints. But anyway, so that's what I know. I'm eating my lunch and then we'll go home and have supper later. Bye. Well, I think I need to move my dealie up a little higher. And I know you know exactly what I mean when I say dealie. My little thingy that's holding my phone. I think it needs to be a little bit higher, but we'll work on that. Anyway, I just wanted to test it out. Okay, we're gonna go home. I'm running late. I had to stay over for a little bit. We're gonna go home and then we are going to get supper. It's Thursday and yeah, we'll eat supper. All right, bye. That's a better view. I think I like that view a little bit better. You don't see everything. You do bounce. You are right on top of my steering wheel though. Hang on. I'm driving right on the line. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Ha! I went up an extra block because I was busy doing this. But yeah, this isn't my usual way home. But anyway. So, yeah, this works out. I think this will work out really well. Yay, Terry! I'm using something old and making it new again. Okay. Hang on, I gotta pull this hair off of here. All right, bye. So tonight for supper, we're having the glazed pork and the with the riced chicken. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave, and then with it, we are going to have a salad. Okay, we'll use this bowl. And I still have some of this lettuce. This is what left over from the thing we had last Friday at work. So, some lettuce. See, then we'll have some peppers. Okay. And see, this is why meal prep is so important. You can come home, grab some things, put it together, and you're golden. You don't have to stand over oven. You don't have to stand over stove. You don't have to do a bunch of stuff. You don't have to stand there and be starving for 30 minutes while something cooks. Meal prep, man. It is a way to go. And then I'm going to put some of these cucumbers that I made last week, the week before. Not sure. I think it was last weekend. I think I might have just uploaded the video today. Today is what? Today's Thursday. So there's some cucumbers. Looks like there's some peppers in here too. Maybe a little bit of onion. I can't really tell. Alright. So I'll do that. And then we need some dressing. So I want a little kick tonight with this Thai chili, G. Hughes Thai chili. I just want a little kick. This is where I like to gom things. We call it gom something. Kind of mess up something and I don't know. Just gom it all up. And this one is G. Hughes Honey Dijon. And G. Hughes poppy seeds. Now with that glazed pork, let me tell you something. It tastes really good, but the portion is so dadgum small, it kind of makes you mentally mad. But I used a fatty pork. And so that's why the portions had to be so small. Ooh, that's hot. So that's why the portions had to be small, was because the pork I used was so fatty. So it really is a little bitty portion. That's it. So if you make the glazed pork, for heaven's sakes, don't use spare ribs, use pork loin. You get more bang for your buck. So here we go. That's my supper salad and the glazed pork that I made a couple weeks ago. Okay, bye.